How much is the first Spanish AI model earning? First Spanish model Aitana was created by Rubén Cruz using artificial intelligence and has been making money by fooling celebrities who are unaware that she doesn't exist with her flawless looks. The founder of the Clueless agency, Cruz, created the AI model when the company was going through tough times and they didn't have clients. Cruz said in an interview, "We started analyzing how we were working and realized that many projects were being put on hold or canceled due to problems beyond our control. Often, it was the fault of the influencer or model and not due to design issues." Aitana is a 25-year-old, pink-haired influencer from Barcelona whom the company used for branding and marketing. So how much does Aitana earn? According to Aitana's creator, she earns up to 10,000 euros per month, and her average income is around 3,000 euros. The virtual model, who's also the face of a sports supplement company, charges 1,000 euros per advert. She has 121,000 followers on Instagram, and her photos garner thousands of views and reactions. Aitana also receives private messages from celebrities asking her out. Cruz mentioned, "One day, a well-known Latin American actor texted to ask her out. This actor has about 5 million followers, and some of our team watched his TV series when they were kids. He had no idea Aitana didn't exist." The agency team meets weekly to plan Aitana's life, including activities, destinations, and photos for followers, using a combination of AI and design experts to create a realistic representation of the model.